Using motion presets and embedded animations. Motion presets are ready-made animations that you can quickly apply to objects. To use a motion preset, click Add Animation, select an object, then choose a preset to preview how the object will move. Use the speed setting to control how fast the animation plays. Lower values make the movement slower, while higher values make it faster. The intensity setting controls how strong the movement looks. Lower intensity creates a softer movement, while higher intensity makes the motion more noticeable. Some presets also include extra settings, so you can adjust the animation in more detail. Use loop count to set how many times the animation repeats. Use duration to set how long the animation takes to play from start to finish. In this example, select the Orbit Motion preset, adjust the orbit radius, turn on face direction, then set the loop count and duration. When you're done, click Apply to add the animation to the object. The animation will appear on the timeline and is ready to use. Some objects also come with embedded animations. Embedded animations are animations that are already built into a 3D object. The options may be different for each object. To use one, select an animation clip to preview how the object moves. When you're done, click Apply. The embedded animation will be added to the timeline, and you can use it together with other animations.